What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars, and we got some more video for you today. So what we did last time in the last video, if you remember, we took out the back seat. We did the back seat delete. So as you can hear, there's a major echo. When I start the car up, you can hear everything rattling, but I kind of expected that, so I don't really give a damn. So what we're going to be doing today is installing a eBay harness bar. And I'll probably do the harnesses too. I got those off eBay, but that may be another video. So I am going to attempt to install that harness bar. It should be fairly easy since I got room, the back seat out and whatever. But I think basically all it does connect right there on that seat belt, and I don't think I have that screwdriver, and it connects right there. Maybe I have an Allen key. I don't know. I don't think I do. So without further ado, in this box is the harness bar. So let's take a look. So I got the bar unboxed, and here's what that looked like. It actually feels pretty sturdy. It came pretty quick, came via UPS. We may have a win, folks. This is a universal harness bar. I paid, I think it was $69 for it. Again, like I said, off eBay. This is the bar. Nice black painted finish. Not too shabby. Let's sit that right there. And let's see, what else did it come with. So it also came with these two struts. These struts look tremendous. Ooh, we got the harness bar. That's gonna be my new thing. I'm gonna say ooh, 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 at least once in every video. Okay, so these are the little struts. Boom. They feel nice and sturdy too. Got the little ball bearing in the end. Rotatable cup. Got a bag of bolts. Some bitch don't come with no instructions. Got these little braces. So we are going to figure it out. Let's get started on it. I'm not going to record this part because I don't know what I'm doing, so that'll probably just be boring. But I will come back after it's done. Hopefully you'll see me in the same shirt, because that means I finished it in one day. What's up, guys? So here we are. As you can see, I got a different shirt on. Just like I said, it probably was going to take me to the next day. Well, I got the same shirt on, just got a different top. Here it is, Sunday morning, and I'm going to show you the progress I've gotten so far. I had to stop yesterday to get ready to go out to eat with my wife, and I had to get some screws. So if you buy this universal bar off eBay, that's something that you may have to do. So let me show you. So this is where I've gotten so far. Got to do that side. I got this side semi-mounting up. You know, nothing is tight yet, but I got it mounted down here. Whoop-de-whoop-whoop. Man, your best bet is just kind of figure it out on your own, because that's kind of what I did. So what I had to do was replace these screws down here because they were not long enough. So I went to Ace Hardware. First of all, I went to the auto store. They didn't have nothing. Went to Home Depot. They didn't have nothing. But old trusty Ace It's gonna always have what you need when you're looking for screws. I didn't even know one was still around. But anyway, so I bought two sizes because I didn't know which one was going to be long enough. So what you're going to have to do 9 times out of 10, folks, depending on your application, is go to an Ace Hardware and get you some longer screws. Because the ones that came in this car was too short to put the seat belt and this on here. So I got two sizes, $8 worth of screws, because I didn't know which one was going to be the longest. So I bought 4 of these. So I'm going to change these out with these as well, just to get a tighter fit, and we're going to make it happen. So now I need to go over here and mount this stuff up. I need to change these screws out, and once I do that, I'm going to check it out and tighten everything up. So that's how far I've gotten so for the next day. This probably shouldn't take me no longer than about 30 minutes. I got some harnesses. Hell, I'm going to put them in too. I may say that for another video. Who knows? But anyway, that's how far I've gotten. I'll be right back with you. What's up, guys? So check this out. I made a boo-boo. The rest of the video is I messed up trying to record the video. I guess I may have hit the button and didn't hit it hard enough, because I can't find the rest of the footage that I had made for you all. So, having said that, I did take a picture, found it on my phone, because I needed to send it to my brother, let him check out the harness bar. So I'm going to show it to you too. So here on the picture, you will see the finished product of the eBay harness bar. It was a fairly easy install. Like I said, the bolts that come with it may not work. Depends on what kind of car you got. Me, I had to get longer bolts so they would reach, because you want this to be safe. You don't want just a little bit of thread, you know, screwed into the belts, because if you are in an accident, then that bar is going to come and pop you right in the back of the head, and then the windshield going to pop you in the front of the head. It's just going to be a mess. So when you're securing this, if the bolt that came with your car ain't long enough, go get you some new bolts. Okay, it's $8 your life, $8 your life, $2 your life. Go get some bolts. So, but altogether, the universal fit bar was pretty good. I can't see anything that I would change. In the next video, I'm going to install the harness to it, and I got another special treat for you for another video that I'm still working on, but I'm having some boo-boo time with that too. But anyway, this is what the install finished harness bar looks like. And those bars on the floorboard, I still need to take those out. I meant to do that today and I totally forgot about it, but I'm going to take that out so that whole look will be nice and clean. I'm going to get an aluminum back seat delete to cover that up. You know, hopefully that won't add back too much weight. But anyway, if you're in the market for this eBay universal harness bar, and I'll put a link below in the description, don't sleep. Don't sleep. It's a pretty solid harness bar. I like the way it looks. Pretty easy installation, even though it doesn't come with any instructions, but there are several videos on YouTube, and I hope this video will help you if you're trying to decide on whether or not to get the harness bar. But that is about it for now. This is your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars, signing off. Like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, and subscribe to the channel. Do all that good stuff. I'm out. Peace.